If you take the names of one of these journals and put them into the Lee University database, you should be able to find full text articles without charge. So for instance, let me go ahead and copy Journal of Public Relations Research. I go to the library website where we can find articles, books, and other resources. Let's put it on here, that journal. It may make you log in using your Portico ID. I've already logged in, so it didn't ask me to make that step. But if you see here, we have this actual journal. And if you want to search within the publication, you can. But let me first of all just click on it. And you'll see down here for full text access, we click here. And we can find it a few different places. Let's just go to Communication and Mass Media Complete. And now you will see this journal, and it has all of the issues going back to, oh, even has more. So they have lots of years of full text articles going back to 1989. So that gives you a lot of things that you can research there. Now, let's say we wanted to put that journal title in, but let's say we also wanted to have it on marketing, so we could put marketing there, and we could do a search. And we could find some other things in here in which perhaps would be interesting to you, maybe. But anyways, you could see that we have lots of full text options here. And I noticed that one thing I did that probably wasn't great. Let me go back and do this search again. And now I could say search within this particular publication, marketing, and see ones that are in this journal, as opposed to my other search. I was showing other journals. So anyways, there are some things that deal with marketing and PR in here, and you can get the full text for them.